In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record acoustic guitar FL Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Recording acoustic guitar in FL Studio involves a combination of proper equipment setup and software configuration. So first, I'm going to be talking about the equipment. First, you should consider having a condenser microphone. It is generally preferred for acoustic guitar recording due to the sensitivity and the ability to capture detail. Consider a small diaphragm condenser for a clear and accurate sound, so you can look for one that looks like this. I'm not going to recommend any particular models in this video, but you can search for pencil condenser microphone and you will be able to look for similar results. Next, an audio interface is crucial for converting the microphone's analog signal into a digital signal that your computer can process. Ensure that your interface has an XLR output for your microphone and provides phantom power if your condenser microphone requires it. Once you have the microphone and the audio interface good to go, connect them together and make sure that you are plugging them into your PC. Afterwards, you have to set up FL Studio itself. Inside of FL Studio, head over to the options and go to the audio settings. Under the audio category, you will see the input devices and you should be able to find the microphone that you connected. When you go into your mixer as well, when you choose any of these tracks or lines, you will also be able to configure the input in here. It is important that you choose the appropriate input, and if you have multiple microphones, you can set them up together as well. Afterwards, make sure that the environment where you are recording the acoustic guitar is good to go. Make sure that there is no loud background noise and minimize any sort of interruptions, and you will be able to get the best recording possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to record acoustic guitar in FL Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.